Side crunches. This will be done on both sides. You will have one hip on the ground. From here, hands are behind your head. And your focus here is to drive the elbow down towards the hip. I am focused on keeping length within my torso. So if you feel like you're slouching forward, not good. Keep the chest open, drive towards the side. Make sure to take deep breaths in when you're about to move, and then breathe out once you're moving towards your hip. So leading with the shoulder that's above to bring the elbow down to the hip. Repeat on both sides for the amount of reps mentioned.